What's up, guys? It is May the, I think 13th or 14th, Saturday. Got out here kind of early. Unfortunately, we're not chasing turkeys this morning, which is what I'd much rather do because I can hear them in the distance. But we really want to get these trees cut down. We're going to put a stand up right behind me for the 2023 bow season. And we got a lot of work to do, and I wanted to get out here nice and early before the sun starts to come out and it gets too hot. But we do not have access to the chainsaw today, so we're going to go old school. We're going to go with brought my hatchet, pole saw, and a handsaw, and we're going to try to get all these trees cut back and try to keep as many mosquitoes and everything else off of us today as we can. But this is a project I want to get done. I'm probably going to trim some other lanes too. I want to get in here early this year and get all my lanes and big things trimmed out before it gets closer to the season. That way I don't disrupt too much in here the closer we get to season. Well, some of these trees are a lot bigger than I thought. So we're gonna go see if we can get our chainsaw and not have to spend hours on what should take 30 minutes to an hour. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Went and got the chainsaw. I'm too old and exhausted to do it by hand. So I am gonna leave one or two of these trees. I'm not sure which ones yet, just to provide a little bit of cover for the deer that are on the field looking in. But other than that, we're gonna clear all this out. We'll get this cleared up, and I'll probably come down next week with a weed eater. Start clearing out all this, some other areas. I typically put my cameras out at the beginning of June, so sometime here in the next week or so I'll do a video and do all the maintenance on my cameras, check batteries, everything like that before I bring them out, and I'll go over which cameras I run and all of my camera locations. But we gotta pick these trees up now. I'm gonna go ahead and leave what's left, and my stand is gonna be tucked in right in. There's a tree with it's 3 trees in one, and I put my stand in the middle of the middle tree. And I've had a tree stand there before, years and years ago, and actually had quite a bit of success with it. Not sure why we let it come overgrown, but we did, and now we're wanted to put a stand buck up there, and as you see, it's been several years because all these trees have gotten huge. These trees used to be, you know, waist high. So we'll get that all, these trees picked up, and hopefully we're almost done. I did want to go ahead and add that I got asked the other day, well, like, why does it take me so long to do stuff? But I have to walk about 300-400 yards to the truck, and unfortunately I don't have a four-wheeler or any type of transportation down here, so I have to hump everything in. So like when I had to go get the chainsaw, I had to walk the 300-400 yards to go get it, then walk it back down. Then now I'll clean all this up, have all my backpack, my camera equipment, and the chainsaw, and have to walk it back. So to those of you that do have four-wheelers or some type of mobile transportation to get you in and out of your stands and stuff, I'm jealous, because the older I get, the harder it is. But oh well, the hard work doesn't really bother me that much. All right, so this is the tree. Sit right up there. And I got a nice trail right through here. And obviously they take the edge of the field. So I left that tree there. Might end up taking it out. This other tree right here might come out, and that might come out, but I want to get my stand up there first before I make those decisions. But I got the bulk of the work done today. All right, that's gonna do it for today. Appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully you guys are out doing all your maintenance that needs to happen. Deer season is gonna be here before you know it. You wanna make sure you get this stuff done so you're not doing it during season. But I'm super excited to see all the deer you guys get, buck or doe, it doesn't matter to me. It's all a huge accomplishment when you take one with the bow. And I look forward to seeing everybody's success this year. Thanks for watching.